my name is Moiya and this is my kitchen. Hi, welcome back to Moiya's kitchen. Today we're gonna make egg mayonnaise. So the ingredients are mayonnaise, tomato, and cucumber, and egg, and salt and pepper, and onions. The eggs are boiled and I took the egg shell off. We have a mixing bowl and we have chopped our eggs. Now we add the onion. Now we add the cucumber and the tomato. Now we add the salt and pepper. Now we will do a little mix. Now we will add the mayonnaise. Now we will give it one more mix and voila, it's done. So it's done. You can have it like this in a salad or you can have it with toast. We'll see you on next of my video. Lots of love. Bye.